from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bree, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So I'm at Brea's sports day. It hasn't begun yet, but parenting is hard. And I want to big up every single parent out there who is active in the role or who has been active in the role. Maybe circumstances not allowing you to be as active now, but parenting is hard, especially when you have more than one. When you have one, it's so rough. Can you imagine when you have more than one? And the other day, I was just so overwhelmed. You're not going to hear a lot of fathers speaking like this. You're going to hear more mothers speaking like this. And it's because, generally speaking, mothers spend more time in the nurturing and the upbringing of their children. And at different times, because of how society is now, they're still doing a million and one other things, so they get overwhelmed. No, it's not just because my wife has been away for a couple of days, but there was a particular day where things just got so rough. It really took a toll on me emotionally. Actually, it's not me alone. There were 3 children and 2 parents. My 2 plus another child and that child's mother. And I remember the mother saying to the child, her head is hurting, she's overwhelmed and she needs a break. The importance of taking a break in your relationship / family life, not allowing yourself to break. So you take the break before you break. And it's something I've said before. You know, it's important to press the brakes and take a break before you break. Because if you overextend yourself, you may end up breaking. And if you break, then you're going to have a breakdown. Alright, so like I said a lot, right? So, long and short, so the parent felt really stressed and I felt really stressed. And I had to have a meeting with the 3 girls and I had to let them know what is what. Let them know that parents also feel overwhelmed and we are feeling overwhelmed at the moment and we needed a break. There was so much emotional strains being placed on us as the parents. Plus we have other situations dealing with. Plus we have work. Plus we have school homework. Plus we have physical situations. Plus we have financial situations. So parenting is no joke. And that day, my respect for single parents took another level up, because if my wife was here, I would have been able to give her some of the burden or allow her to take some of the burden. It's just hard at times, you know, and you have to deal with the child physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, on top of what you are going through already. Granted, the children asked to be here, and parents, we need to take our responsibilities serious and do what we can to get to where we need to get to help them. But at times it can be overwhelming. And, you know, I think it's important for us to remember that we cannot give from an empty vessel either. So sometimes our parents are frustrated, are hungry, are hurting, are taxed at work, are taxed in different circles. They have to be dealing with persons who are trying to tear them down, and then they come home. On top of that, they didn't get paid, they didn't get enough money. They get home and their children are not behaving at school, their children are causing a ruckus at home, their children are not eating the food they cooked, the children are arguing in the house, and it becomes a lot. You try different methods, you try different techniques, you put them in timeout, you separate them, you give lines to write, you give chores to do, you do whatever. Sometimes it really still does not take away the fact that you're feeling stressed and burdened. And I don't know about you, parents, what you do, but for me, I after I got them to bed, I just sat in the couch and I just breathed, and then I put on a show, and then I play a game, and then I just relax. I drank a large cup of cold Milo. That's my go-to. And I thought about it that some parents they would drink, some parents they would smoke, some parents they would do all sort of things to try and get out of that feeling that they were feeling, and to just find their way to unwind. And sometimes it can become more harmful than good. So it's important, parents, also we find ways that are not harmful to us to de-stress. But yeah, it really took a toll, and it was really rough. And I just thought I would talk about that and pick up the parents and share how I unwind, and I know it won't be the first, I know it won't be the last. And sadly, in some cases, some parents get so wound up that they take it out on the children and they never realize. And in the discussion with the other parent, we were saying that too. It's not that we are agreeing with or accepting or saying that it should happen. Parents need to find a way to healthily and in a clean, efficient way deal with the matter. Sometimes us as parents, we don't know how to deal with it, we don't know how to deal with how we're feeling, and we take it out on the children. Interestingly, sometimes when the children who don't know how to handle their emotions and how they're feeling, they cry and they have the temperature and tantrums, we as parents, we don't know how to deal with that, and we take out our stress on them again. Imagine if we feel how we feel sometimes and how we want to just imagine how they feel at that tender age and they don't know how to do it. This parenting thing, it's a hard lesson, and it's a continuous lesson. You learn it each day, every different way. But I'm trying, and big ups to all the parents out there who are trying. And if you're a single parent, more power, more strength to you. If you are not, I'm encouraging parents to work together to help each other, because it can get rough. All right, so parents, work together, help each other out. And I mean, the final point I wanted to raise was when I give my wife a break. There are times when I just allow her to just go on social media or whatever. She fall asleep while putting the girls to sleep. I don't wake her up to do anything. I lock the room door and I pull on her sheet, and I go wash up, I go wash the dishes, I go wash the clothes, I go sweeping, I go wiping. I allow her to sleep till all 12 midday sometimes, because I understand that it's important that I give her a break as well. And it goes both ways. She's giving me a break too, where she just take the kids far from me and she just allow me to play a game or to go play football or whatever. It's important to have that balance in life. It's important to have a supportive either other partner or a supportive other parent, or your partner, and they will allow you to take your time to take a break. What do you think about taking a break in family life and in a relationship where not when you're separated, but you take all the burdens on yourself and allow the person some time to relax? Yeah. I chat for about 9 minutes now, so gone to sports day. Go Bree! Run Bree! Come mama! Come mama! Come mama! Yeah Bree! Yeah Bree! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running, Bree! That's it! That's it! Yeah, girl! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job, mama. Good job. Run all the way. You ran all the way. Right. Go. Go get you some water. Take your time. Deep breaths, all right? Go, girls. So get them ready. All right, go, Bria. Take it up. Go, Bria. 1. Go, Bria. Come on, Bria. 2. Go, Bria. Come on, Bria. 3. There we go. There we go. One more. There you go. Go, mama. Go, mama. Go, mama. That's it. That's it. Well done. Well done, Bria. Blue house. Go, go, Bria. Go, Bria. Go, Bria. Yeah. Go, Bria. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Go, Bria. There you go. There you go. There you go. One more. One more. One more. One more. Go back now. Go, Bria. Yeah, mama.
I'm so tired, I can't even dance.
I'm going to give you some more. Collect your medal. Collect your medal.
Come for your back.
Wait, she has to do
Let me see you. Bria, let me see you.
Come here. Go over this side.
You can't be dancing now. Hey Bella, you can't be dancing now.
Ew. Bria, don't watch anybody. Stay in your lane. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Don't run over too fast. Don't, because you might. Look, hey, run. Bria, give the button. Run, give the button. All right? Don't worry. The coach is not coaching right now. He's not coaching right now. No, 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 no. This is blue. This is blue. This is the cool blue. It's blue. It's blue pan.
So we are ready for the grade 2 4 by 100 meter race. Both students that are on the swing. Both students that are on the swing.
Yeah, Bree, yeah. Yeah, Bree. Bella. Go over there. Come off the field.
Students that are on the playground, please define your representative house. Please define your respected house. The students that are on the swing.
Come on, get in the pose. 1 foot, right. Hold on to my belt. Don't let it go.
Ready? Keep together.
All right, Bria, let's go.
So they are ready?
Go, Bria. Bria, bust now. Run, girl. Go, Ava. Good job, mama. Yeah, blue house. Yeah, blue house. Run, girl. Yeah, blue house. Yeah. Go, Bria. First place, blue house. Yeah, blue house. Go, blue house.
It's a grade 3. It's a grade 3.
Yeah. Show them the medal.
Red house is in
Number 1.
third place.
Number 2. Number 3. Yeah.
Run, Bria! Run! on, Bree! Yeah, Bree! Yeah, Bree! Yeah, girl! Yeah, Bree, a friend!
And blue is made on red. Blue, yellow, blue, red. Yellow,
Second place.
Second place.
yellow,
Come here, mama.
blue, yellow, blue, red.
Good job. Second place.
Turn, come back this way. Please.
All right, go for your
This
medal.
one, please to come.
All right, and they're off. This time we have 3 in this race.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.